Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I am going to be preparing callaloo rice. This rice has a lot of flavor from the coconut milk that I used in the rice, the saltfish, and also the sauteed vegetables. So guys, I know you're going to enjoy this recipe, so please come along with me. If you're new here, a special welcome to you. Please tap the subscribe button guys before I start this video. Also like, cause it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Comment, as I love to hear from you. So let's get started. So here I have my saltfish boiling. I am using half pound of saltfish guys. Mine has the bone, so you know when it finish boil and you know saltfish shrinks, so I may not get a lot from it, but I'm only preparing the recipe for 3 persons, so you know you use the saltfish to the number of persons that you will be preparing it for. So you don't want, when you're eating a rice, you don't taste the saltfish. So after I finish boiling it, I'm going to strain off this water. I am going to add some fresh water to soak it. In my pot I added some oil because I'm going to saute the veggies. So I'm using vegetable oil. You can use the oil of your choice. So here I am adding 1 minced garlic. I'm also going to add the escallion. All the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. I am using a low flame. Fresh thyme, I'm going to finish adding the seasoning, so I'm going to add 1 minced tomato, going to add some minced sweet pepper and the rest of the spring onions that were left on the plate. So with the saltfish, I like to break mine into small pieces. You can break yours the way you like it. So guys, don't do as I do. Always hold the pot, because you know you don't want it to fall off the stove and burn you. So here I'm just tossing the saltfish with the seasoning, and I'm going to do this on a medium flame for about 3 minutes so that it can develop some flavor before I add the coconut milk. So here I'm adding some black pepper. Afterwards I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I am not going to add a lot of all-purpose seasoning. 1 teaspoon is just enough. Remember, the all-purpose seasoning has salt and the saltfish has salt, so we don't want to add a lot of salt to this recipe. So here I'm just adding the all-purpose seasoning. Afterwards I'm going to stir it. You can also add your scotch bonnet pepper at this point, but I am going to add a whole scotch bonnet pepper after I add the coconut milk. I don't love the heat guys, but if you want yours to be spicy, no problem, you can go ahead and make it spicy, and you can add any seasoning you want to add, but do not over add the seasoning because it will spoil the taste. So here I'm just adding 2.5 cups of coconut milk. After you add the coconut milk and you stir it very well, You can taste to see if it needs any salt. Mine need a little salt, so I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon. Afterwards, I'm going to cover the pot and let the coconut milk cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is how it looks after 15 minutes. So I am going to be adding 4 cups of white rice, but before I do so, I'm going to stir it again. So the size cup that I use to measure the rice is 240 milliliters. So after I add the rice, I am going to use a fork to stir it. You can use any rice of your choice. Your flame should be on medium. I'm not going to add a lot of liquid for this rice. The coconut milk will make your rice soft if you add a lot of liquid, and also when I add the callaloo, it can be very soft. So we're going to use less liquid for this recipe. But after I finish stirring it, I am going to add 1 cup of water. This amount of water is perfect to steam the rice. So I am going to cover the pot and let it steam on a medium flame. When it's time for the rice to stir, when it is almost fully dried out, I am going to add the callaloo. So as you can see, the rice has a lot of moisture, so you can steam with what it has. But if you like, guys, you can add a little more water to it, but do not over add the liquid. Remember, it will become soft. So I'm just going to cover it and let it steam for 20 minutes on a very low flame. You could also use your foil or your plastic to cover the rice. So there you have it, guys. My callaloo rice is all done. It is packed with a lot of flavors. There's a lot of flavor bursting out on me right now, guys. This is a must try recipe, and if you do try this recipe, please remember to comment down below this video and give me your feedback. Also, you can tag me a picture on Instagram at recipe_tomorrow. I know you guys enjoyed this video, so please remember to like it as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and turn on all notifications so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. Comment, as I love to hear from you guys. When I do, I feel elated. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.